Good evening, everybody. This is Jaye Wellness here with you with another exciting edition of the Health Tips and Fun Facts. And today's topic is healing with water. And we're not talking about drinking water this time. We're going to talk about the benefits of actually hearing water. Check it out. It is almost too obvious to turn to water as the source of healing for our bodies. We tend to annotate effective healing by the level of complexity it contains, when in actuality, things that are the most simplest can be the most effective. And that leads us to our discussion, water. Did you know just listening to water lowers your stress and cortisol levels by over 45%? That means when you go to the beach, you tend to gaze out into the ocean and suddenly feel a sudden sense of solitude. Many vacationers or visitors on the beach tend to relate their level of calmness by the fact that they are on vacation or don't have anything to do that's going to cause stress, but tend to forget that that very sense of serotonin igniting in their body is the fact that the sound of the water is reacting to the brain. Many studies have found that actually just taking a shower lowers your stress hormones tremendously. Many will relate that to the temperature of the water, but forget that the actual sound of the water is contributing to the lowering of the stress. You ever realize that when you run water, you suddenly have to go to the bathroom? Well, that's a clue that you're in a sense of calmness, and that when the water is dripping or trickling, you suddenly have to go to the restroom. Your body is in a sense of relaxation. Therefore, you tend to feel that you may need to go to the restroom. With advanced technology and apps at our fingertips, I recommend that if you're feeling tension or you just have this sudden sense of I just can't relax, I want you to do the very simplest first. And of course, if you continue to feel bad after trying these methods, you might want to contact your physician and get a very good examination. Those tips that I speak of are apps that have water sounds. Try that method, not just to go to sleep, but during the day as well. You can download the apps. There's tons of them out there having different sounds of water. Water dripping, rain, waves, whatever form of water you can get your hands on. I'd like you to try that first and tell me how that makes you feel. Alrighty, my Jaye Wellness fans, that concludes our health tips and fun facts for today. And I just want to say water has a way of getting into the body and the brain and healing you tremendously. If you're feeling tension all over and you just don't know what else to do, try the simplest of things. Sometimes it works miraculously. And if you don't have access to oceans like a lot of us don't, try using some sound boxes that they have online, very accessible, to be able to get that music, that tune of the water to heal that body. And with advanced technology, I just want to say that we have access to different apps on our phones, and that's a great way to start. Alrighty, folks, just want to tell you one last thing before I let you go. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.